friends, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is a Winter Fireplace Collaboration 2024. And our amazing host is Stephanie at Creatively Miss Me. Please check out her channel. And also our guest host is Jill Stiles. Please check out her channel. And all the amazing decor in the playlist. Today, I'm doing, of course, as you can see behind me with my tree, I did gingerbread in my living room. So I did a gingerbread mantle and I added a pine cone. Steph, you're just gonna have to, you're gonna have to see if you can find it. Here is our Christmas mantle this year. Yeah, I went kind of a little bit over the top. And I know, Steph, you're saying, where's those pine cones in this? You're gonna have to find them. Let's take a closer look. Here's our gumdrop bells that I made on a DIY video. Because I want bells, but I also want it to be gingerbread themed. Here's our gingerbread bow we made on, this garland on a video for the 12 days of Christmas. This little girl, the Mrs. Claus, we got her at Temu. This sleigh was after Christmas at home. This guy, I think I got him at Temu. There's your pine cone, Steph. He's keeping them safe for you. There's 3 in there. This is a Christmas ornament from Walmart. This sign that says Mrs. Claus's old-fashioned hot chocolate, that's Temu. These ornaments here, these were from At Home. That's Temu. That pretty pink, it looks like, to me it looks like candy. That came from Walmart last year. The little candy, those were from Amazon. The pink gingerbread ribbon, that was Amazon. And then we have the gumdrops, those was from Walmart too. The stockings that had the name tags that you did it yourself, those were from Amazon. And I actually love them. I love how those turned out. This garland here, this is Dollar Tree. The snowflakes is Dollar Tree. The bows was Temu. And this cording, I think I got that at General Dollar. And it was a DIY I did on a video called Winter, the 1st of December. Up here's our mirror. Sometimes I have the mirror up, sometimes I don't on my mantle display. This year I chose to have it. And I put a garland that, to me, it reminds me of either snowballs, pink snowballs, or little cotton candy puffs. But I wanted something up on that mirror to give some interest up towards the ceiling to make it look bigger. Tell me what you think.